Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox a symbol of power in my model making, which is the AH-64. Now isn't that something, right? It's the Revell 48AH-64 Apache helicopter. Well, I've had this project hidden for a long time, so I'm going to open it. That's what I'm going to do. Okay. Yeah. Well, let's see. Okay. So this thing's almost out of its wrap. So here we go. Okay. Now this thing's out of its wrap. Here's one thing I like to say about this kit. It was available at Michael's as well. And along with that, Hobby Lobby had it. So I decided to get it from Hobby Lobby. Let's see what's inside the kit, shall we? There it is. Oh, yeah. Here's the kit here. It's modeled in olive drab. Sweet. And here are all the clear parts here. Manual. And you only get one decal option. And all the decals are on this sheet. Those are all your decals here. I see that. Well, there's no one here to pester me, saying that I have to finish this kit first. So I'm going to do another kit. I've had this kit under my bed for some time. It is the Hasegawa 1-48AH-64D fighter. It's a night patrol fighter. And I got this from the clearance rack at a hobby store here in town. So I decided to open it. And now, originally I was going to give that away. But then I found a Revell version of this kit that I wanted to give away. So I've decided someday I'm going to get the Revell version of this A6M0. So now with that being the case, I'm going to unbox the kit. Voila. No one could pester me at the moment. So, look what I have here. Plus, no one could nag me. Because I'm alone. Okay, the instructions are all here. Easy to follow. And there we have it. Let's see what else I have here. Firebirds. My AH-64 model was also featured in the movie Firebirds, as you can see here. I got this for $1 at the thrift store. Not bad. And rating of the film PG-13. Let's see what else we got. Voila. Not bad, eh? Well, see you guys around.